Hi everyone, have a look at this. What do you think? Personally, I think it's beautiful. But what about this, or this? This is happening through all the world. But what happened to me? Well, something very shocking. About 3 years ago, I was with a friend in a beach of Cancun, and we saw a turtle with a bear mesh in her neck. We noticed that if the turtle made a step and stepped on the bear mesh, she probably hung herself. So, with a fisherman, we take out the bear mesh and we save the turtle. That's why I started investigating about this. With my story and with this image, I guess you already know what I'm going to talk about, right? Yeah, I'm going to talk about oceans contamination, but specifically food packages. And what is my name? My name is Manuela Barreto, and my major is mechanical engineering. What is happening in all the world? Species are dying because of our contamination. And for preventing this, many countries are using publicity like this that sadly the results suggest is completely useless. Furthermore, we are damaging our ecosystems. And this because of the long time decomposition that has our garbage. So, now from my point of view, as the publicity is useless, the main problem is the garbage components. As you can notice in this chart, many of the items that we use day to day are from plastic or for polymer components. So we can say that our contamination is from plastic, right? But also because of people's irresponsibility. As you can see in this chart, in one day of a cleanup in a beach, many of the items found are from plastic. What are some world tries? Well, as I said before, the first one is publicity. This includes like campaigns, billboards, commercials, and things like that. The second one is recycling. Many countries are increasing the interest of the people in this process with color, garbage, and things like that. Finally, by my point of view, the most useful is reduce plastic usage, not only with bottles, but also with bags and with boxes. So, now, as you know, change people's consciousness is impossible. But, what if we change our packages? What do you think? What if we mix cornstarch or algae with our normal plastics? I think we will have more natural packages, don't you think? Well, what are some implications of this? The first one is that we are going to have more biodegradable packages that would look like this. The second one is that we will have a less decomposition time that would look like this. And the third one is that we are going to use natural components that are easily produced or founded, like algae. What are some conclusions that we can draw from this information? The first one is that a change is possible, not only with our environment, but also with packages and with little things that we use. The second one is that the solution comes from the beginning. As we cannot change all humans' consciousness, we can change what we are using. So, if your mom or your dad work in this industry, tell them that we can change the world with a simple mix. Thank you so much. Bye!